Oh, okay. Ooh, well, so you want to do it the hard way, huh?
Don't even think about it, cowboy.
Oh, yeah? Tough guy? Huh? Right? Buddy?
Fight!
Okay. Come on. You want a piece of me?
Finish him!
Piece of me?
Fatality. So, we meet again, Buzz Lightyear, for the last time.
Not today, sir.
Fight! Finish him! Fatality.
What is your problem? Look, I'm sorry I can't help you guys out. Really, I am. But you didn't have to go and pull a stunt like that.
What? You think I did that?
Oh, right. Yeah, the TV just happened to turn on and the remote magically ended up in front of you.
You calling me a liar?
Well, if the boot fits.
Say that again.
If the boot fits.
Okay, cowboy.
Fight!
Take it back!
Don't think just because you're a girl, I'm gonna take it easy on you.
Finish him! Fatality.
Ow! What are you doing? You're in direct violation of Code 6404.5, stating all Space Rangers are to be in hypersleep until awakened by authorized personnel. No. You're breaking ranks, Ranger. Buzz Lightyear to Star Command. I've got an AWOL Space Ranger. Tell me I wasn't this deluded. No backtalk. I have a laser, and I will use it. You mean the laser that's a light bulb? Has your mind been melded? You could have killed me, Space Ranger. Or should I say, traitor? I don't have time for this. Halt! I order you to halt!
Fight! Finish him!
Ow! No backtalk. Listen to me, listen. Wait.
Fatality. So, we meet again, Buzz Lightyear, for the last time. Fight! Finish him! Prepare to die.
I can't look.
Fatality.
Okay, Woody, let's go.
Take that, space toy. Hey, no one does that to my friend.
Finish him!
Fine.
Gotcha.
Well, Stinky Pete, I think it's time you learned the true meaning of playtime. Right over there, guys! No! No! No!
Fatality.